One of the cheapest and hard working parts of your Inspire 1 is the propellers. Don't be tempted to buy cheap replicas, stick to the stock DJI props. These props are normally balanced but sometimes need adjustment. If not properly balanced, they can affect the smooth running of the Inspire 1. Vibration of the motors can damage the bearings. This vibration can make the landing gear oscillate and also give a jello effect on your video. Simple things can be done to give you well balanced props. A simple ruler can be used as shown on the screen to measure the height of each side of the blade to ensure that they're both exactly the same height, and again exactly the same distance from the ruler as you rotate the propeller. On eBay I found a very good quality aluminium polished balancer rod for the Inspire 1 propellers, which is absolutely perfect for what we're trying to do. A black anodized rod is also available. This will fit both your counterclockwise or clockwise Inspire props. I will put a link in the description for this. One of the easy ways of using the balancing rod is the use of a glass tumbler on a table or desk and making sure that it is perfectly level. Using the appropriate end of the rod, connect it to one of your propellers. Simply balance the rod and propeller as shown on the screen. A non-balanced propeller is easily detected now. A little bit more professional than a glass is the Dubro True Spin prop balancer. Again, I found this on eBay. I will leave a link in the description below. This is a well engineered and fully adjustable unit and allows us to use our Inspire 1 prop balancer rod. Using a bubble level, make sure that the unit is flat, side to side and front to back. Adjust the wheel housings so as the balancer rod is perfectly level, again using a bubble spirit level. With everything level now, it's time to check our Inspire 1 props. We can easily see here that one blade is a little heavier than the other side. There are different ways to amend the balance of the propeller, and that is either stick a little bit of tape onto the one side of the propeller. I don't favour that, as I have a fear that the tape may come off. I prefer to use glass paper or a selection of wet and dry grades to rub off the inside of the propeller. Avoid rubbing the tip area of the propeller as this is very thin. Only rub the concave side of the propeller or the back side. If you need finer abrasive paper, simply rub two pieces of the paper together as shown. This will help when only minor adjustments are to be made. We now know which side that we need to adjust. The convex side we leave alone, or the front side, and only the back side or the concave side needs to be rubbed away, first with the coarse paper. Do not rub too hard, as we only need to take a little bit off. Then polish up using the finer grit paper that we prepared earlier. Remove any debris that may have got into the spindle hole. Time to check and see how things are going. Still a little heavy on one side. We only need a little tiny bit off now. At this stage, I only use the finer grit paper that we prepared. Try the prop at various angles. It shouldn't move wherever you put it. Using the same propeller and using the glass, you can see we get the same effect using that as well as the Dubrow unit. While you're balancing your props, take your time and check regularly the balance of the prop as you're going along. This prop has turned out very well. It can be placed in any of the angles without moving. I hope you found this information of interest to you. Thank you for watching, and you fly safe.